living on the moon mentally.
The first endangered species I'm going to talk about is the African forest elephant. And the elephants are exclusive cousins from the savanna elephant, and they inhabit the dense rainforest habitats and prohibit traditional counting methods. Their population is usually established through dung counts, an analysis on the ground of density. African forest elephants are smaller than the African savanna elephants.
Why do African forest elephants matter?
Well, the African forest elephants are found in dense forests, like I said before, but they are essential for the germination of many rainforest trees. The seeds travel through the elephant's body and comes out the feces to make trees.
Oh, so they make trees? Pretty much?
Yeah, they help the tree. They help the tree's population.
Oh, very nice. So, what threats do the African forest elephants have?
The elephants are threatened by habitat loss. The habitat is due to algae culture, livestock farming, and human interactions. They the humans are like trying to kill the elephants. Now, let's take a look at the second animal, the bonobo. The bonobos and chimpanzees look similar and both share 98.7% of their DNA with humans, making the two ape species our closest relatives. Bonobos are usually a bit smaller, leaner, and darker than chimpanzees. Their society is also different. Groups tend to be more peaceful and are led by females.
So, for the bonobos, what is their home like?
Their home is in a tropical forest or any forest, but their home is at a civil unrest. The region around the bonobos have temporarily has led to seeing so many bonobos dead. In addition, unrest has made modern weaponry more available. It People are hunting the bonobos, and the military at times had to kill them to eat them because yeah. And then the third animal is the sayola. The sayola is a rare, distinctive, unvulnerable, and crucial significance as a symbol of an animated forest. Within, or yeah, within the lack of attention globally made it one of the most critical priorities for conservation in the region. The current population is thought to be only a few hundred at most, and possibly only a few dozen.
So, how are the Saolas found?
The Saola was first documented by scientists in May 1992 during a joint survey carried out by the Ministry of Forestry of Vietnam and World War II in north-central Vietnam. The team found a skull with unusual long, straight horns with a hunter's home and knew it was something extraordinary. The find provided to be the first large mammal discovered in more than 50 years. Now we have the hawksbill turtle. The hawksbill turtles are named for their narrow, pointed beak. They also have a distinct pattern of overlapping scales on their shells that forms a spotted look on the edges. These colored and patterned shells make them highly vulnerable, and common only sold as tortoiseshell in markets. Alright, the threats are the litter in the ocean because there's nets and they get tangled up and they could strangle and die. But a few years ago, there was an incident with a turtle and a straw up its nose. Next is the Cross River gorilla. This species of the western gorilla is very similar to in appearance to more numerous western lowland gorillas, but subtle differences can be found in the skull and tooth. Cross river gorillas live in region populated by many humans who have encroached upon the gorilla's territory, clearing forests for timber and create fields for agriculture and livestock. In the forest as well, and the loss of even a few of their gorillas has a detrimental effect on such a small population.
So, for the cross river gorillas, what are the threats to them?
The hunting and killing of gorillas is illegal in Cancun, but enforced the wildlife laws is often lax. Following the efforts, hunting is declined to a low level, but any amount of gorilla killing will have a significant impact already on an already small population. The next animal I'm talking about is Hector's dolphins. These dolphins are the smallest and rarest marine dolphin in the world. They have distinct black facial markings, short, stocky bodies, and a dorsal fin shaped like a Mickey Mouse ear.
So, why do Hector's dolphins matter?
Hector, Hector's and Maui dolphins only live in New Zealand's shallow coastal waters. They are both at risk of becoming extinct. They they help the shore with little small fish, like little small fish overgrown population, and they also eat a little bit of algae. And living close to the shore for these Hector dolphins is a problem for the dolphins. Bycatch, which is becoming targeted in nets, really hurt their gills and fins. Litter is the biggest effect on the dolphins, and that is endangered species.